Instagram's 3D revolution. AI-powered video conversion on Meta Quest. Imagine scrolling through Instagram Reels on a massive 3D virtual screen. Now that's what the future looks like. Back in May, Meta quietly introduced an automatic 3D conversion feature for all photos on Instagram when viewed via the Horizon OS app. Thanks to their advanced AI view synthesis algorithms, even flat photos that weren't initially captured in 3D are seamlessly transformed into an immersive, depth-filled experience right on your Quest headset. Our AI can take every pixel from the photos in your Instagram feed and convert them into a 3D format without needing specialized 3D cameras, Meta explained. This groundbreaking technology allows users to enjoy a new level of visual immersion without the hassle of special equipment. But here's where it gets even more exciting. In recent weeks, the Instagram app on Horizon OS has extended this feature to include videos, including Reels. By default, you'll now see all your favorite videos in stunning 3D when viewed on your Quest headset. I tested this out on my Quest 3, and the results were impressive. It felt almost identical to watching spatial videos shot with an iPhone. The only minor hiccup was some artifacting on the text in low-quality videos, but overall, the experience was seamless and captivating. A closer look into the code of Horizon OS revealed something intriguing. It seems Meta might allow users to convert local image files to 3D, similar to what Apple's Vision OS and ByteDance's Pico OS already offer. However, neither of those platforms currently supports video conversion yet. But why stop there? Meta could be paving the way for a future where all your media is effortlessly transformed into immersive 3D content. It's worth noting that Meta isn't the only player in this game. For instance, MoonPlayer on Apple Vision Pro provides AI-enhanced 3D conversion for any video. And Vitch's Spacewalker app for Android offers a similar feature. These advancements raise interesting questions about the future of 3D content creation. With the rapid progress in AI view synthesis algorithms, do we really need expensive hardware for capturing true stereo 3D content? After all, iPhones capture spatial photos and videos with a minimal camera separation, less than a third of the distance between human eyes. As a result, the quality gap between professionally captured 3D media and AI-synthesized 3D is narrowing, especially for content shot on iPhones. If you're eager to try out this incredible feature, Instagram is available for free on the Meta Horizon store. Just remember, you might need to restart your Quest after signing in for the first time to fully experience the 3D magic. So, what do you think? Will AI-generated 3D content eventually replace traditional 3D capture methods? Share your thoughts in the comments.